Hi K2, I hope you guys had a wonderful spring break. I wanted to go over the essential question for 8.3, and that is, what do you see in the sky? So what do you guys see in the sky at night? If I look at this picture, I can see it says high in the sky, and I can see the moon and several stars in the sky. But what else can we see in the sky? That's what we are going to be talking about with our vocabulary this week. So, this week, our vocabulary words have to do with the night sky, and we also have some words to know, and these are our sight words that we have learned all along. So, let's get started. So, my first word is space. And space is defined, space is a huge area beyond the sky where all the stars and planets are. So that's above the sky where all the stars and planets. So for example, the moon would be in space, the stars, the sun are all in space. So would you like to travel in space one day? Okay, my next word is distance. So distance is how far one object is from another. So for example, if I look at the picture, I can see that the house is a far distance from the school. You have to take a bus or a car to get to school. The sentence says, the distance between my home and the school is 1 mile. So what about you? How far is your house? What is the distance from the school or from your friend's house? My next word is challenge. And challenge is a word you guys all know. So a challenge can be something that calls for hard work and a lot of effort. So when I challenge you to learn all of your sight words, you guys have to put a lot of work and effort into this. And also, if I look at the picture, it says playing the violin is a real challenge. That means there's a lot of work and there's a lot of effort to playing the violin. So I want to know, what is something that has been a challenge for you? What have you had to put a lot of work and a lot of effort in? My next word is surface. So the surface of something is the very top layer of something. So if we are in the playground and we have the surface, just like at school, we would see that the surface of the playground is very bumpy. You guys see all the wood chips? They're not smooth, it's very bumpy. So if we're thinking about the night sky and what we see up in the sky, how do you guys think the surface of the moon would be different than the surface of the earth? That's a tough, challenging question. My next word is recognize. So to recognize is to know you have seen something before. So for example, you can recognize at your school because you've seen them around. You can also recognize everyone in your class. Would you be able to recognize your friends in class at the store? Why? And that is all for the new vocabulary words. But let me show you a list of sight words that you should know by now. So I want to go over the sight word review. So my first word is for. F-O-R spells for. My next word is have. H-A-V-E. The next one is here. H-E-R-E. Then we have me. M-E spells me. Of. O-F spells of. That is a challenging one. Said. S-A-I-D spells said. They. T-H-E-Y. this, THIS, want, WANT, and what, WHAT. So I challenge you guys to learn all these sight words and have them memorized.